Learn and grow presence how to make money online. Nowadays, almost anyone can make money online. In this article, we go over 11 different ways you can start making money online. If you're looking for a side hustle or a new business idea, you may have thought about ways to make money online. When you know what you're doing, making money online is pretty straightforward. You can do it full-time or part-time right from the comfort of your home. Who wouldn't want to work in their pajamas and pull in some extra cash? In this video, we explore some different ways to make money online. To learn how to make money online, watch this video from start to finish. Can I make money online? Yes, you can make money online. In fact, making money online is an incredibly popular way to earn some extra income or even make a full-time living. Is making money online fast? As it is said, there is no free lunch. You'll have to put in the time to earn money online. While in some cases you may be able to start turning a profit in a short span of time, this isn't always the case. Don't count on making quick money online. Instead, be patient and work hard to generate consistent earnings in your online ventures. How to make money online? As we have said earlier, there are a variety of ways that you can make money online. Watch the video to discover 11 ways to make money online. Number 1. Find freelance work. Freelance work is when you work for yourself and complete projects on a contract basis. Even if you take on a contract to work for a company, you are still self-employed when you are a freelancer. And there are plenty of freelance jobs online. In fact, there are plenty of freelance websites that list jobs. Be sure to check out Upwork. They are the world's largest freelance marketplace. Upwork offers a large volume of remote freelance jobs. You'll see listings for freelancers as web designers, project managers, writers, graphic designers, and other specialties. Over 15 million freelancers get their work from Upwork and it's free to join. There are also over 2 million jobs for freelancers listed on Upwork. FlexJobs and SolidJigs are also excellent sites for freelancers who are looking for work. In general, you will not have to worry about any scam jobs at FlexJobs. They research the jobs very thoroughly and monitor everything very closely. You can find many niche jobs on FlexJobs. Time is always money, even for a freelancer. If you need work fast, check out SolidJigs. They filter out all the jobs fast and then send you the best ones, thereby vetting the opportunities for you. With SolidJigs, you won't waste time scrolling through dozens of jobs listed. Number 2. Start a YouTube channel. There are many ways to make money online with a YouTube channel. The most popular way is to add AdSense ads to your videos. Every time someone clicks on your ad, you make money. You can also promote products in your videos on YouTube by wearing or using certain products in your videos. Add a link to your online store to get people to visit your store and buy your items or contract with third-party companies to promote their products. Just make sure you have a compelling offer for your viewers. Another way to make money on your YouTube channel is to create sponsored content. This way, you can make a profit by endorsing branded products or creating content marketing videos. Number 3. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping can be a simple business model. You don't have to pay for storing your inventory. Instead, you act as the go-between. Find suppliers online who will sell you products wholesale, then mark it up and earn a profit for yourself. From computers and clothing to jewelry and health food, there are thousands of suppliers who can provide you with your inventory. When you do this, you will need to have a website and or e-commerce storefront of your own to market and sell the products. Number 4. Take online surveys. Believe it or not, you can make money online by taking surveys. There are online survey websites where you can take a survey in your spare time and earn gift cards or cash. Just keep in mind that some paid survey sites are better than others. Branded surveys is one way to earn money online by taking surveys. It's also a favorite of many. They have a sign-up bonus, competitions, a loyalty program, and competitive payouts. You can earn up to $5 for each survey that you complete. Number 5. Create a blog. Blogs are a popular money-making tool because they're easy to create and offer many routes for monetization. If you have some knowledge on a subject, you could create an online course and sell your expertise to people who come to your blog. Or, maybe you've got a blog that specializes in a particular topic. You could sell digital products related to that topic, like guides, templates, books, and more, to folks that visit your blog. If you don't have your own goods to sell, you could become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money online by promoting other people's goods on your site. Whenever someone clicks on the link, you receive a commission from the sponsoring company. There are plenty of affiliate networks that have an extensive list of companies for you to join and become an affiliate marketer with. Another way to make money with your blog is to put AdSense ads on it. Every time someone clicks the ad, you make money. It can be a great way to earn passive income. Number 6. Write and publish a book. If you have some measure of knowledge on any specific topic, you can always write and publish a book to make money online. Just be sure to write about a topic that is relevant to your blog. This will increase your chances of making a sale, since your audience comes to your blog because of your topic or niche. You can also develop a newsletter list and email potential buyers about your book. Number 7. Develop an app. By developing an app, you can help put a brand right on the home screen of its audience's mobile devices. This way they can enjoy gamification, dedicated communities, and interactive content. App developers are in demand, so developing your own app or working for a company in need can be a great way to earn extra income. Number 8. Become a virtual tutor. Tutors are always in demand. Whether you are a teacher or someone with specific knowledge, you can help learners improve their grades and prepare for exams. Just keep in mind that you should have the teaching experience and a subject-specific certification. This will help create credibility for both parents and students. Do some research, so you will understand your audience. From your skills, pick topics that you will feel confident teaching. Having specialization certification or an advanced degree will give you an additional advantage. There are a lot of teaching methods you can implement when you are a virtual tutor. You can use interactive activities, slides, storytelling, and even gamify your course lessons. Being a virtual tutor is one effective way to make money online. Number 9. Become an influencer. Influencers are people who help persuade potential buyers of a product or service by promoting or recommending the items on social media or YouTube. If that appeals to you, start thinking about what your niche could be. Maybe you're interested in fashion or travel. Maybe you've got a lot of say about tech or fitness gear. Consider your strengths and pick a niche that allows you to showcase those strengths. Once you pick your niche, it is time to market to an audience. You can do this with a blog or on social media platforms. Once you start building your audience, you can start selling to them. If you become popular, you might get the opportunity to represent specific brands and make money by promoting their products. Number 10. Build websites. Today, every business needs a website. There is a huge market for web designers, and these days, you don't even need to know how to code in order to build a site. Just keep in mind that it's best to pick a niche before you start creating websites. Put together a nice portfolio of the website that you have created, then get out there and market yourself. Number 11. Start investing. Start investing online and make money. If real estate is your thing, you may consider Fundrise. It's a real estate investment company that offers high investment return options for investors. It makes it very simple to invest with a low-cost portfolio. You can invest in commercial property or residential property and build your portfolio. There are also many crypto trading apps that you can use today to invest and make money. Tips for earning money online. Before you set out to earn money online, keep these basic tips in mind. Watch out for scams. Whichever method you choose for earning money online, it's always important to do your due diligence first. Research to make sure that the opportunity is legitimate and not a scam. If possible, read reviews and do some research before pursuing an online money-making opportunity. Market yourself. It's important to stand out from the crowd when attempting to make money online. Pursue your interests. When you're choosing a way to earn money online, choose something that you enjoy doing. Being passionate about your work can make for a more lucrative business and a better experience on your end. Final thoughts. While you may think that making money online is just a pipe dream, it isn't. There are plenty of ways that you can make money online. Thousands of people do it every day, and you can do it, too. However, in order to make money online, you have to establish an online presence and market yourself. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell and also check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.